Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2009 ECE paper and the topic is related to electronics. In the circuit below, the diode is ideal. The voltage V is given by A. Minimum of Vi, 1, maximum of Vi, 1, C. Minimum of minus Vi, 1, D. Maximum of minus Vi, 1. So the right option for this question is D. Maximum of minus Vi, 1. How we will see this one? So this is given that one the diode is ideal. Ideal diode is nothing but whenever it is forward bias it act as short circuit, whenever it is reverse bias it act as open circuit. So based on this condition we will go like this. For some input voltage we assume that one for what input voltage the diode is going to be becoming reverse bias, for what input voltage the diode becomes forward bias. Okay, based on that one we can find out what can be the maximum value, okay, of V, and whether it is going to be the V is maximum or minimum, what is the range out of these four options. How can D be the answer? Okay, now this is what the circuit diagram, and since the diode P side is connected with Vi, okay, first of all we are going with first case. Let Vi is positive voltage as the diagram indicates. If Vi is positive voltage, that is nothing but this plus and minus is going to be as it is. So this plus and it is minus. By that time you are applying positive voltage for the diode N terminal, so that we can say that one diode is under reverse bias. Diode is under reverse bias. The diagram is going to be looks like this one now. This is, and it acts as open circuit, that is acts as open circuit. Okay, by that time this is what the diode condition, it is acting as open circuit, and this is another resistor, and current flowing through these resistors are nothing but is given 1 ampere, and this is connected with input V. So this is connected with Vi. So this is the resultant circuit. Whenever Vi is going to be positive voltage, by that time diode becomes reverse bias and it is acting as open circuit, so that no current is flowing. So the current flowing through this 1 ohm resistor, this 1 ohm resistor is going to be same, that is also equal to 1 ampere. Because this resistor are in series, current flowing through this resistor is same as the current flowing through this 1 ohm resistor. So now V is defined like this. V is defined as plus minus. Okay, so by that time we can write V is equal to, okay, 1 ampere into 1 ohm. Current flowing through that resistor, multiply the resistor value and current value, what you will get is V is equal to 1 volt. So whatever the value of V by that time the current voltage is going to be, you are going to be getting V is equal to 1 ampere only. Remember this one. So V is equal to 1 volt you are going to get. Okay, whenever you are applying input voltage as positive, by that time, okay, voltage is going to be 1 volt you will get. Second case we are going with, let Vi is going to be some negative voltage you are applying. Whenever you are applying negative voltage at that time, okay, let Vi is going to be negative. By that time you are going with this circuit. Okay, and for this circuit now what we are going with is, this is minus, this is minus, and it is plus. This is minus and plus. So by that time diode becomes forward bias and acts as short circuit. Whenever diode is acting as short circuit, by that time the circuit diagram is nothing but current flowing in this direction, diode is acting as short circuit. So this is the resultant circuit diagram, minus and it will become plus. So this is what you are applying negative Vi, so that terminals are getting reverse bias. Okay, and since it is short circuit, entire the voltage going through this one, it will go through diode, it never go to that 1 ohm resistor. So the current flowing because of Vi is always flows through diode, since it is acting as short circuit. Diode is short circuit acting as, because it is forward bias, and current always flows from under forward bias, it is from P to N. So the direction of current is in this direction, and the defined voltage is nothing but V plus minus, and this is 1 ohm. So if you observe, apply KVL over here, okay, using KVL, what you can get is nothing but VI, okay, plus diode voltage plus V is equal to 0. Okay, so that implies nothing, diode is equal to 0 since it is acting as short circuit. Short circuit is nothing but VD is equal to 0 volts. By that time VI plus V is equal to 0, VI is equal to minus V volts, otherwise V is equal to minus V. Okay, or what we are interested is V is nothing but minus VI. So whatever the voltage you will apply, that will be appearing across resistor itself. How much you will apply the negative voltage, whatever you will apply, whatever the maximum value in magnitude, that will appear across the resistor only, since the diode is under forward bias. If you apply VA is equal to minus 5 volts, you will get the minus 5 volts. If you apply minus 10 volts, you will get the minus 10 volts. So maximum of VI is going to be possible at resistor. So V is nothing but, we can write it as V is equal to maximum of minus VI, and 1 volt is going to be constant. So the range is between 1 volt and minus VI. So the right answer for this question is, the voltage value is going to be changes from minus VI comma 1. Minus VI is going to be whenever it is input is negative, and 1 is nothing but input is positive. So the range is maximum of minus VI to 1. You can you cannot get the output voltage as greater than 1 and the value is going to be minus VI. Okay, so this is maximum of minus VI comma 1 is nothing but the answer for this question. Thank you.